Hello and welcome. I'm Art and today I'll be drawing Bardock. As you can see, I'm doing things a little differently in this video. For this one, I'm actually doing it completely all in color from the very beginning. Not my typical way of going from grayscale to color. I kind of just felt like taking another stab at trying to do it all in color, as I've tried before and not with the greatest success in doing it all in color. But in those ways, I didn't start off with the method shown here, which is you start off with the basic color block and then you start to add in the colors in every particular area. And thankfully, I did find success in doing it this way. And in this drawing, I'm trying to recreate that moment from when Bardock was trying to fight back against Frieza prior to him destroying planet Vegeta. But I will be transparent in that it was difficult at times trying to do this all in color because it goes against how I, like I said, normally do it from grayscale to color. But like in all things, there's different ways. The end result is what matters. And trying to better myself in all color is something that I've been trying and wanting to do. And it's like anything when it comes to artwork, the only way you get better at a technique or a way is you have to practice it. And that is something that I finally forced myself to do. And when it comes to drawing the hair, I like the base color to be the darker tone. And then you just draw in the lighter shades and the highlights. And now that I've, for the most part, finished Bardock, I now get to jump to the energy blast. And this is the part that takes it from normal to how you see the end result. And by that, what I mean is you get to see all the lighting effects, what's causing the high contrast in lighting, and adding that sense of depth to this drawing. And with this epic moment happening in space, here I'm just trying to create that whole space vibe for the background. Experimenting with different colors, just trying to get a look and feel that I liked. And here is the final completed piece of Bardock. So tell me guys, what do you guys think of it? Did you like this new process, this new method? If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up? And if you're new here, thank you for watching this drawing. And why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss any new drawing that I put out. And until the next one, goodbye.